Hi guys, welcome back to the Williamson's Family Adventures YouTube channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend because it was Valentine's Day Saturday, and I hope everyone is having a good week. It's almost Friday. So my weekend consisted of going to the 2026 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and I also went to the truck and tractor pull they had. I will post pictures in this video of the farm machinery show. I didn't get a lot of pictures, but I did get some. So, look forward to that. And, the truck and tractor pull, I was not able to get any content for that because they have a rule where only media is allowed to get pictures and videos and stuff. So we were not allowed to video or take pictures. But there were other people doing it. I was not taking that risk simply because I did not want to get kicked out or something. So, yeah. I try to follow all rules as much as possible. Yeah, you get what I mean. So I will post pictures of those, or the pictures that I have at the end of this video. So, yeah. I'll just say this, it is a really cool event to go to. I highly recommend taking kids. If you take them to the truck and tractor pull, I would highly recommend some ear protection. I probably would not take a baby at all. I know if I took my daughter, she would have screamed her head off and I would have had to leave early. So, yeah. I'm going to have to wait until she's a little bit older before I take her to that truck and tractor pull. One outside wouldn't hurt her as bad if it was outside, but where it's inside, it'd be too loud. They do have it at the Kentucky Expo Center, which is also Freedom Hall. So they have that whole event there. It is a really cool event. I highly recommend going, and highly recommend taking your kids. If you're looking for new farm equipment or anything like that, they got you covered. So, I hope everyone is doing well. I don't know when my next video will be. It'll probably be sometime next week. So, gonna try to post something next week. Don't know what it's gonna be yet, but I'll figure it out. So, I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their week and weekend. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.